Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a helicopter glitch in Billboard for Treasure. So let's get started. First put a glue block here. Then put 10 concrete blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then put blocks around these 10 blocks. Then put each of the blocks 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then put 2 blocks here like this. Then put again 6 blocks. Six. Then like this. Again here also. Like this. Total here all side of this hair has 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Like this. Then this side also. And then climb up here with your any jetpack or wings. Then put a hinge here in the middle like this. Then put 2 glue blocks here, 2 like this. And your character has to be like this to do this glitch. If you are too long, this glitch will not work. Then upside place 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Then save it in your any slots. I have this. I don't have to save this. Save it into your any slots. Then once you are done making, remove your 2 glue blocks. Then stand up of the hinge block like this. Then put 2 glue blocks here. We know the UFO glitch. The UFO glitch and the helicopter glitch is same. Just this style. Put 2 glue blocks here like this. Then remove the down glue block. Then unanchor all with the new screwdriver tool. As you can see, I am flying. The UFO glitch and this glitch is almost similar. we can grind gold, but I am too high. That's why, you know, I don't have, I will not have the gold block and some golds. Then remove all your blocks or the blocks, the glue blocks. It will go so downly if you can control this. I can't control this, but if you can control this, as you can see, I am in the treasure, and if I start this treasure, I will die and go to the spawn. I'm showing you. But if you go through the black walls, you will not reset or die. And this is called helicopter glitch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.